Hey folks, and welcome back to the channel. Devil's Hole is a 1-mile stretch of the Niagara River and not an actual hole. It is characterized by a section of whitewater and Class 5 rapids. Starting at the Niagara Whirlpool, it ends where the Niagara River widens at Queenston Lewiston. In September 1763, a significant event known as the Devil's Hole Massacre took place here. During Pontiac's rebellion, a detachment of British soldiers and a wagon train were ambushed by Seneca Indians at the Devil's Hole. The ambush resulted in the deaths of approximately 80 British soldiers and the wounding of several others. Devil's Hole Cave, located along the Niagara River, has a history rooted in Native American superstitions and the tragic event of 1763. The cave is known for its deep gorge and sounds of wind and water echoing, which made Native Americans believe it was inhabited by demons, hence the name Devil's Hole. The Niagara River rapids are categorized as Class 5. These rapids boast 15 to 20-foot waves, with currents reaching speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. The jet boat tours take visitors through these rapids on a 1-hour ride. There are multiple jet boat companies operating on the Niagara River, both in the USA and Canada. Jet boat tours on the Niagara River operate seasonally from May to October. Let's go check out the jet boat action at the powerful Niagara Whirlpool. Yes, running a jet ski through Devil's Hole on the Niagara River is illegal and extremely dangerous. The area is considered a danger zone and is marked with buoys and signs. The powerful currents and fast-moving waters, especially in the Class V rapids of Devil's Hole, make it unsafe for any boating, let alone jet skis. Also, no, kayaks do not regularly navigate the Devil's Hole rapids on the Niagara River. The rapids are classified as Class 5, making them too dangerous for recreational use by small craft like jet skis and kayaks. However, in 1987 Nolan Whitesell in an open canoe, and Risa Shimoda Callaway and Woody Callaway in squirt kayaks, legally ran the Niagara Gorge Rapids, which includes Devil's Hole. This was after a court order, and the river has been illegal to run ever since. Instead, specialized jet boat tours are designed to handle the Class V rapids, offering passengers a thrilling experience. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more great outdoor adventures.